This Remax Ultimate Coastal Properties property video is presented by Katie Hensley. Owner will hold the paper for this rustic woodsy cabin. Selling partially furnished. Quaint living room, kitchen with hickory island, dining area with slider to a large deck, 2 spacious bedrooms, plenty of storage and indoor laundry. A spring feed water with a 501,250-gallon holding tank. Aluminum carport will allow for 2 cars. Selling mostly furnished. Life among the sheltering pines has never felt so good. No drive-bys. For more information, review the details below or contact Katie Hensley at 541-425-7494.